Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have before you the June 2023 release at A Colorful Life Designs. So I'm going to go through the full release, and then if you want to see projects that I'm going to make with these, then be sure to check out the playlist that I will link below featuring all of my June projects. So when you order, you'll get a manila folder like this, and I will show you all of the goodies. Now, to start with this 6x6, we have, what is it called? Coral Reef. So you'll see there's going to be a lot of water, ocean type themes, but that's not, everything in this release. So in usual fashion, she likes to break it up. So even if there's a slight theme, there's usually a nice variety of just kind of general or geometric or year-round use type of stencils. So you can pretty much always guarantee that there's going to be a nice mix from month to month. So again, this is Coral Reef, and this is a 6x6. Then next up we have Wave Cloud. How fun is that? So to give you some perspective on a A2 size, you could turn it this way and it covers almost the whole card front, or this way and it would be kind of like a cool banner across. So this looks like a wave cloud, but again, it's just kind of a cool flowy, kind of use it for anything. But I could see this as being just a really cool, interesting backdrop on a stencil, or a backdrop on a card. Okay, this is called Groovy Wave. So again, I'll show you this next to an A2 size. So it's really cool. It's got this kind of scalloped edge. This is probably one you'd want to use with pixie spray because you can see it's pretty delicate and it's got pretty long openings before there's connection points. So this would be a good one for pixie spray. Now this one, Fancy Palm. So this is a really cool kind of flourishy looking palm tree, and this would make a really cool focal point on a card, or kind of kick it off to the side like I like to do. Okay, and then we have Tail Up. How cute is that? So this you could do horizontal orientation or vertical. Really cute. Some sort of sea creature. Looks like a whale tail. Tail up. Okay, and then we have Rolling Waves. Really cool. We have Water Spout. This one I love. This just looks so, I don't know, vintage and fun. I could see this in really bright colors. This one's really fun. Okay, this one, I got another one here with definitely where you'd want to use pixie spray. This is called Bubble Waves. So what I think with this would be cool. You could kind of weave the card in and out and just use part of it if you wanted. Part of the design or all of it. But again, you're going to want pixie spray with something like this because of these long open slats. Okay. Oh, this one's really cute. Turtle Bay. How cute is that? And then we have, double ginger flowers. So you guys know I love me some florals, so this is a good, year-round sort of, but it's really cool. It's almost geometric looking, so you could even use this on a more masculine card or a card for anyone rather than kind of like a feminine floral. Okay, got another, a couple stuck together. Another really cool floral. This is called Lush Flowers. Really cool. I like that there's going to be a lot of white space. You can tell with the way this is created. There's going to be a lot of really cool white space. Let's see different fun ways. Got ideas that brew in. Okay, Party Lay. So again, we got another floral. Lots of cool details in this one. Again, these are all 6x6. Just gonna pull out some more 6x6. Ooh, we got a Marvelous Masks here. So Marvelous Masks bathing suit. So obviously this is more summer themed, but so fun. Got this fun bathing suit shape, and when you order the Marvelous Masks, you're going to get the 4 different sizes plus the little masking pieces. So if you haven't watched, I think I have a playlist specifically for masking stencils, but there's lots of fun and kind of unique ways you can use these, and she has a whole line of Marvelous Mask stencils in the shop of all different shapes, some kind of general and then some unique like this. So if I remember, I will link that below the playlist for the masking stencil cards that I've done, but otherwise there is a whole section in the shop at A Colorful Life Designs. Oh, this one is so cool. Okay, so this is called Layered Mermaid 1. Now this might be kind of hard to visualize. I'm really excited to kind of create this, but I don't know if you can see this mermaid here. So you're going to create all these different layers of water in different colors. Maybe like lightest to darkest, or I don't know. I have to play with it to kind of wrap my head around it, but look at these details that build as you go. Or actually, I don't know. I had to figure out how to do it. But anyway, you got this awesome mermaid, and then again she gives you these masking pieces. So this one I'm really excited to play with. I think that's going to be fun. And this will come in its own little additional plastic mailer just because it has so many pieces. But when they're on their own, they'll just be, you know, carefully placed in that manila folder. Now here is a fun layered one, layered pineapples. So again, kind of with a summery theme, but if you're into pineapples, this is awesome. So you get one layer for the green foliage part, and then one for the base of the pineapple, and then these fit together perfectly. So that'll be really fun. Again, tons of layered stencils in the shop. Now this one isn't layered, but it has its own little extra masking piece. So she did put it in its own little plastic envelope. But look, you get the positive and the negative space, and how fun is this? It's called a What a Splash. So this would be really fun to go with all of the other kind of summer or water themes. But honestly, looking at this, I think like pouring coffee or pouring a beverage or anything like that. So you could get really creative in the ways that you use this one. Okay, I have another pineapple here. This is called Pineapple. How intuitive. Anyway, you can kind of, you know, easily mask off these areas and do two different colors and have a nice big pineapple. So this would actually be fun to pair it with this layered one. You could kind of create a background with this and then maybe do another one of these and like cut it up, fussy cut it out and pop it up. So to make a nice big pineapple focal point. So you could put that on a You're So Sweet sort of card or something like that. Okay, now I'm going to show you the 6x9s. And this first one is called Monstera Leaves. Monstera. I'm guessing that's some sort of plant. I really don't know. I'm not familiar with plant and flower names, but Mary Kay is. She tends to know a lot about flowers and plants. So I'm guessing Monstera is the name of whatever plant this is. But really cool leaves. Make a nice botanical card. It's a 6x9. Oh, this one's fun. Mr. Bubble. How fun is that? So you could create a really fun background with this. It's quite delicate, so again, you'd probably want pixie spray on this one. 6x9. Okay, ooh, we got more waves here. This is double waves. So this you could go, just use part of it and kind of, look at that. See, that doesn't even necessarily have to look like waves. That's just a really cool design, and you could kind of sandwich that down the middle. Or you could do, you know, traditional waves and make it like a ocean sort of card. Even like this. So many different ways you can turn this. And these 6x9 work great with gel plates if you do anything like that. Okay, a couple more 6x9 in this release. We have the Fierce Waves. So again, this doesn't necessarily scream water theme. This is a very versatile where it would just kind of create and lay down a lot of nice color in your background. So again, another really versatile one here, Fierce Waves. And then for the final stencil in this release, we have Tropical Flowers. How pretty is that? So again, 6x9. Now, for the grand finale, there are actually 2 stamp sets this month. You have High Tides, Good Vibes, Forever Chasing the Sun, and Stay Wild, Ocean Child. And there's these little shell additional stamps. And these fish are just too cute. This Oh Bite Me. I can't wait for that one. That one's just snarky and fabulous. And A Sea of Thanks. And these are just so cute. I love the fat line work. I feel like these are really graphic and these would be super fun to color. So again, 2 stamp sets in this June release. A ton of stencils. If you want even larger discount than my coupon, you can create the entire, or you can purchase the entire release, including the stamps, in the Master Creator Bundle, and I will link that in the video description box below, and that will get you 20% off. So you can't use my coupon on top of it because it's already so deeply discounted, but if you did want the entire collection, that's definitely the way to go, so follow that link. Otherwise, if you just want certain components, then use my coupon AmyFan10 at checkout and you'll save 10% on your complete order. So be sure to check this out. There's going to be loads of fabulous stencils, not stencils, samples. Wow, I can talk. Samples from my design team. And like I said, I will create a playlist of my specific projects. And I do also have a blog if you want to check that out. So all that information will be in the video description box below. If you enjoyed this, please hit the thumbs up and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.